Hadn't done an unboxing video in a while. This race season we are being more serious about winning than we ever have been. Brand new engine, brand new suspension, brand new everything but driver. And what's in this box is another big key to that thing. It's one of the things we have never used before, but we decided to invest some real money into a new part today. So let's do an unboxing video. I'm not even gonna tell you what's in it. You're gonna get a surprise too. See if I can do this and hold a camera. Things look weird through a camera. So again, we have to thank our friends at Summit. I've been working on the car all day too, as you can tell. And this just arrived. We got to thank our friends at Summit. We placed this order Tuesday, shipped out on Wednesday. It was actually our local UPS office, but UPS office dropped the ball and it just got here. So let's take a look at this. Yes, sir. We have a brand new MSD distributor and 6AL box. I've never ran a 6AL box before, so this is going to be a brand new setup for me. I kind of want to peek at them. How about you? Let me figure out how to open this box. This actually looks like it's already been opened. Maybe not. My favorite thing, wiring. Let's see here, some mountain hardware, some wiring, more wiring. Oh, you like this? Get the wiring diagram right on the back of it, so you can't screw that up, can you? Okay, well, anyway, so now you know what comes in the box. Here's another wiring harness. Got some instructions, some stickers, digital AL. Okay. And this is probably the biggest investment as far as parts goes that I've spent money on in a long time. I'm not a guy that buys a lot of new parts. I do a lot of used parts and people donate parts and what have you, but I'm not a guy that does a whole lot of new parts, so this is a big deal for me. Yep, well, that's her for better or worse. Little seal in there. What's that in here? What's that in here? Some performance gear, break-in, lubricant, and protection. Like a seal and some springs. I like springs. Okay, so there you go. As I said, we're going to be serious. We're going to put a lot of effort into trying to make rounds and maybe win a race. And our big goal this year is to be inside the top 5, and we're working hard to be in that top 5. So I'll do a video as soon as we get back from Power Tour. I'll do a video of getting all this stuff in. So there you go, folks. a new Summit unboxing video. So y'all stay tuned for the installation, all this stuff, and next time, God bless you.